Hello everyone, myself Ankon বিশ্বাস and I am an Autodesk certified professional as well as Revit MEP electrical certified professional and also Autodesk certified instructor. Here we are going to talk about the Revit MEP software. Revit MEP software is a BIM software that will help you to design mechanical, electrical and plumbing modeling into your building model. Here you can see this is the user interface of the Revit MEP software. This is very different regarding to AutoCAD, and you can see there is lots of tools like the mechanical tools, the plumbing tools, as well as the electrical tools are there according to your designing needs. You can also design these types of HVAC system of your entire building. Whatever you are required or you needed, you can also design that as per your requirement. By simply clicking one button, you can also see the real-time view of your particular model. And also you can change the visual style if you need it. You can also do that by simple clicks. If you need a load calculation on your particular building model, yeah, you can also do that via this software. Here you can see the load calculation of my particular project. If you needed the electrical system or you want to design the electrical panel, you can also do that in a proper way and also create a documentation from there. And also you can also see the 3D version of your electrical project if you are needed. And all these views are actually the real-time views. Now the other thing is the plumbing. So if you are needed the plumbing design or the sanitization design or the water line design, you can do that, and also you can watch your model in a 3D view. That will help you to build your building efficiently. So if you want to become an MEP engineer, you must need to learn the MEP software. So that's